Hello everyone. Now let's solve a problem to calculate skewness curtices from the following ungrouped data. Here given the data 85, 96, 76, 108 and so on 95. Now we have to calculate mean. X bar equal to general formula is sigma x by n. This is the general formula to calculate mean when given the raw data. So now total observations by sum of the given observations by total number of observations, that is 880 by 10, that is equal to 88. Now to calculate the skewness and curtices, here is the formula for skewness and here is the formula for curtices. So we need to find x minus x bar. Here x bar is nothing but mean, and now x minus x bar will be minus 3, that is 85 minus 88 will be minus 3, 96 minus 88 will be 8, and so on. We have to calculate. Next, x minus x bar whole cube, that is 85 minus 88 whole cube, that is nothing but this, minus 3 whole square, so 9, minus 3 whole cube will be minus 27. So solve this all, and sigma of x minus x bar whole square, that is equal to, we have to add this all 1216 and here 2436 2430, and to calculate both skewness and curtices we need the standard deviation S. Sigma x minus x bar whole cube whole square by n minus 1. This is the formula to calculate standard deviation of ungrouped data, and here sigma x minus x bar whole square is 1216 and n minus 1, that is total number of observation n is equal to 10 and n minus 1 will be 9. So if we calculated, this will be the standard. And to calculate skewness, formula will be sigma x minus x bar whole cube and n minus 1 dot s cube, that is equal to 2430 by 9 into 11.6237 whole cube. On calculating we get the skewness 0.7136. And now to calculate curtices, sigma of x minus x bar whole cube by n minus 1 into s power 4, and on calculating we will get 1.9316. and so this is how we calculate a skewness and curtices for the ungrouped data. Now let's see for a grouped data. Given grouped data is 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. This we call it as class interval, and this is the given frequency. So to calculate mean, the common formula for a continuous series is mean equal to sigma fx by sigma f, and we need to calculate this by using the table class interval, and we need to find mid values of the class interval, which we call it as x, and f is the given frequency. F into x will be f into x, 9, 20, 14, 9, and the sigma f will be 10, sigma fx will be 52, and x minus x bar. These three are required to calculate skewness and curtices. Now standard deviation sigma equal to standard deviation is equal to sigma f of sigma f into x minus x bar whole square by n. Here we will take as n, and for ungrouped data we will take as n minus 1, and this is the standard deviation formula. On calculating by substituting the values we get 1.8856. And to calculate the skewness we have the formula sigma f into x minus x bar whole cube by n into x cube. On substituting the values and calculating we get skewness is equal to 0.5145, and in the same way curtices sigma f x minus x bar whole power 4 by n into s power 4. On substituting values and calculating we get curtices is equal to 2.3655, and that's all. This is how we calculate the skewness and kurtosis for a grouped data. Thank you.